Alright guys, just out at Eldorado today. Thought I'd come out here and have a look at this. The old dredge. This is what I need for the for Reedy Creek. Seen better days, but surprisingly still afloat and a bit of an angle, but still here and still floating. Looks like someone's made a I'll see if I can zoom in on it. There's a rope swing. Good luck with that. Quite interesting. Obviously this would have cost a few dollars to build. But I'm sure they recovered their money. You wouldn't fork out this much money unless you were going to make some. Go in here, have a bit of a look. Yeah, quite interesting. These controls up here look like the ones at my work. They're probably just as old. I've seen some other stuff over here. I'll just walk over there and have a look. Some other bits of machinery. This is probably well worth the look if you're interested in this sort of stuff. some of the old cables over here. But just up here there's some other bits of machinery. We'll have a look at that, and that'll about do it, I think. Like a boiler or something like that. I'll have a look and see what it is. That's like a transformer part, I think. Oh yeah, a few bits and pieces here. There also is a museum in Eldorado. You can always go and have a look at. Might do that another time. Yeah, quite interesting. I don't exactly know what these parts are all for, but obviously something to do with the dredge. There's a water pump. That'd be a good run to run the high banker. A few high bankers. But yeah. Alright, I'll leave it there. I think there's something over here that's fenced off. I'll go have a look at it. I won't film, but gives you a bit of an idea of this dredge and just how big this thing is. So yeah, it's probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 stories tall. Well, that'll do for here, and till the next time, I'll catch you all later.